Good evening. Welcome into StoveTop-Garage. Tonight we're going to be making a chicken bacon ranch tater tot casserole. We got green onions, we got the bacon, we got our sour cream and Uncle Dan's creamy ranch mixed together here. We have our Campbell's cream of chicken soup. We have some pepper jack cheese all shredded up, and we have the economy size bag of Ore-Ida golden tater tots. And here we have 2 pounds of chicken sausage. We're going to start mixing this up, layering it up, pardon me. We're going to layer on some of the cream of chicken, and then we're going to layer on some cheese, some bacon, and some of the onions. Then we're going to go with some sour cream, a little bit more cheese, and then we're going to layer on with the tater tots. And then we're going to throw her in the oven for 40 minutes at 350 degrees. And then after that 40 minutes is passed, we're going to add some more cheese and some bacon on top of it with some more green spring onions on top of that. Let's start layering things up here. Tonight we got a volunteer to hold the camera, so you're going to get to see more of what we're doing tonight. There is our sour cream. Now we will add some cheese. I like to layer mine up kind of like a lasagna. Some people like to mix it all together, and my ingredients vary from time to time. Tonight I'm using the pepper jack, and I am using a peppered bacon, so it's going to be a little zestier than some people might like, and probably not too zesty for some people. So it's flavor choices. Sometimes you need a little bit more zest, and sometimes you need a little less, depends on who you're cooking for. Just makes it more fun that way. Oh, our oven's ready. Yeah, I brought out 2 cans. Thought maybe we'd use 2 cans, but I think 1 can's gonna be plenty. So when we get this all mixed up, and after we get to that 40-minute mark in the oven, we want to see the tater tots turning a golden brown, and then we wait for that to start to bubble up through the tater tots. And then we will take it out as the tater tots are turning brown, and then we will add our cheese and our bacon for the topping to give it that final beautiful look. Some of these are going to be left over for another recipe that I'm working on later. Okay, so now we have our sausage, our sour cream or ranch dressing, and then the cream of chicken soup, our bacon, and our spring onions. Now we're going to layer on the tater tots. Some people think that the way I do my tater tots is a little over the top, but I like to have mine all organized. So I face them. So this is going to take a minute. So we will go ahead and do this off camera. Okay, there we go. We've got our tater tots all ready. Now we're going to go in the oven for 40 minutes. And then we'll put our topping on it, and then we'll put it back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. We'll see you in a few. Our tater tot casserole has been in the oven now for 40 minutes, and we're taking it out because we're going to add our toppings, and then we're going to put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. So let's get this show going. Throw on some cheese. Everybody likes cheese, right? We're probably going to use all of it. It's roughly a cup and a half, something like that. And some bacon on top. Can't have chicken bacon ranch without the bacon, can you? And then for some color, we're going to add some spring onions and flavor. And now back in the oven for 10 minutes. And there we have it, fresh out of the oven. Let's take a look. We should probably let it sit for a time and let it firm up a bit, but this is just fresh out of the oven, and I want to try it now. Oh, that's gooey. That's yummy. That's really hot. Yeah, it's almost too hot to taste right now. Hey, thanks for watching this latest episode of StoveTop-Garage. Tune in again, and we will make something else that's quick and easy and tasty for you. Thanks for watching. See you later.